walking.
Unless they took the cylinder off.
No, it's common.
And campers.
Oh, that's a nice camper right there.
That's good.
That's a nice camper right there.
Oh,
Money on
there's
that.
more trucks right here. Oh, look at that nice Dodge farm truck right there. Farm truck all over there.
That's not big enough to do.
Oh, look at this, guys.
I like this one better.
I think I found my tractor.
I like this one better. No. Man, you have to crank start the fucking thing.
Oh.
Or heckin' thing. Really?
Yeah, that other one isn't even been running a while.
That guy just driving that fast. We don't need this. I have no idea. Dad would know, maybe a corn thrower or something. Like you drive over the hay or corn. And ask him. This is almost what you need, but again, the boot. Get the boot. What's this?
Hey, that's a good idea. Add a boot instead of a can.
That's interesting. So I take back what I said about
That's a nice
one.
hay wagon.
The Gale?
No, the New Holland.
That's what I figured.
Has brand new.
A nice hay
Looks like the
wagon.
belts are pretty new and it has a brand new tire on it.
What's this thing?
Here's what we need.
Disc brakes. You have to have a CDL.
That's
to
one of
drive
them
that.
things that, like Eamon's, that rakes the hay way wide.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, we
I didn't forget it.
Hey!
Hey, that's a new one too.
Just like A-liner. Oh, it's in great shape. Got some teeth that have been replaced. That's in good shape. Little John Deere square baler. Pretty good shape.
That's a square baler right there too, correct?
Yeah, I didn't get to see those.
Well, I figured we'd get to the end and then walk back
Wow.
down. That's sick. That's a horse trailer, right?
It doesn't matter.
No, I know, but well, the equestrian ones are a little bit better built, correct? Probably a little seized up. Yeah,
Ooh.
not bad.
Usually they have
separator. But if it's
Yeah, right there. It does.
Yeah, I see it. I can see the handle on the other side.
No, right here.
No, what I said was I seen this handle for it. There's a divider.
Just
Vents.
look. Hey. See?
Yeah. And then you would just open that part and I mean, this is nice. And then Mom's tractor's right next to it.
Yeah. Yeah, baby.
Actually, this Massey Ferguson right here would be really nice.
Oh, wow.
Pay for the orange.
Hey.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but look at.
Oh no. This right here is for Mom.
I want to go back and look at this other.
Can we finish this row out?
Oh, there's some of those gates. Look, there's some of those gates.
This would be a good tractor for you. No, I got a little trailer. Start it up. I want to hear one. Is this a diesel, right?
No.
The gas water?
Yep.
Might not start. Something's unplugged over here.
Oh, is it?
Like, I don't know what this wire is for. But it seems like it should be in.
Tell you what. This is in good shape.
Mom.
What about that blue one?
Here's Mom's
It's a little
tractor.
Ford.
That's too big for her. You couldn't handle that.
I was thinking that white one over there with the
Oh.
bucket would be a good one. I don't know what kind of feeder this is.
All right, I'm cutting over. No, it's not a John Deere. That's an Oliver.
Pretty sure it's a John Deere.
We'll run up to it and see. I'm pretty sure it's an Oliver.
That's a nice tractor for Mom. This white one with the bucket.
Oh,
This is a nice little case tractor.
I don't like the narrow tires.
me neither.
Finishing mower.
No, that's just a break.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it was a ton.
I just
these-
seen the, I just seen
these
the scooter in the back.
gates.
That's difficult for finisher.
Oh,
Banger.
Oh yeah, little mid.
Lighter one, that's probably a 10.
I don't know if it's heavy duty enough either.
Cool though. They have those at Manistee too.
They have the cube. I don't know. That's a nice square there, right? What the heck is this? This is not a square there.
International.
It is. It don't have the kicker.
Huh? No, it doesn't have a kicker.
And the thing is folded up. Holy crap, this is a long one. Talk about a long square baler.
That has a kicker.
What? Oh, that's why it's so long. Are you thinking about the yield sale? Yeah, that's a yes.
No pusher. Well, I hate to wait all day just for that and that one baler.
And
Yeah.
that.
I pointed at that.
Oh, I thought you said that and the one.
isn't that a baler?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
what I-
actually not a
The
bad
red-
looking.
See these two.
The red one.
The belts on that aren't bad.
You ought to see the ones on that.
I'll
other
have
than
to
Holland.
peek. I'm gonna peek before we go. These tracks aren't bad.
Oh, this is an international
Yeah,
one.
they are, Dad. These tracks are pretty bad.
Odd.
Really?
Yeah, look down here. I
This-
like this international square baler right here.
Sabine. That's a 7.
This isn't bad looking. This has some brand new parts on the inside of it.
Dang.
Yeah, those are the knotters, I think.
This one isn't bad.
No.
This is pretty nice. Biggest thing is
I like to see some fresh hay in the snow, you know? Ain't got a kicker.
not seized up.
Nope. kicker on it. If I was gonna buy anything, it'd be that one right there.
I want to go check it out with you real quick. Then we can go to that yard sale that mom owns.
Like when you see things like that, somebody was using this.
Somebody's either using this or not using it.
Well, I mean, look at this tire. This egg tire is brand new. And I noticed this. And this guy might be high priced,
But he fixes his shit.
yeah, it's functional.
That's a nice.
Like this, look at this is all new. This would be the one.
It's missing the end of this, so it's.
Aha! And it's loaded.
Ooh, look
with
at all that
string.
string.
Oh. Now this would be ready to go in the field.